Here we have a 2007 Suzuki Carry mini truck with automatic transmission. Been set up with our 2-inch lift kit, upgraded springs, new 23-inch all-terrain tires. Have a couple accessories added onto this truck. One is the rear towing bumper with a 2-inch receiver. The other is our rear jump seat. Has 2 seat belts built in it. Sides and tailgate fold down or it can be removed. Here we have the interior. Very clean interior, seats. This one is the automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, heat, air conditioning, and defrost is all standard. Be sure to visit www.usminitrucksales.com to see all of our inventory.